Save time, money, and effort with Häfele Service Plus program. Whether you work on kitchens, closets, hospitality, or custom architectural projects, we know that every job is different and presents unique challenges. We offer targeted advice, planning, assistance, and customizable products to ensure proper installation, function, and fit for all your project needs. Save time by utilizing our free design and consultation services. Our expert team will walk you through and ensure that your project planning is done right. Save money by not having to stock a wide range of inventory for all your possible projects. We will ship what you need when you need it. Save effort and labor cost by letting us handle the customization process. You supply the specifications, and we'll customize our products to your exact needs. Whether you need items cut to size, pre-assembled, built and shipped as a kit, or combined in a repack kit, we have you covered. No job is too big or too small. We work with everyone, from closet and kitchen manufacturers, large hotel and resort chains, to small custom design shops. Contact us today to get started.